Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce lead assignment rules for territories, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type lead assignment rules. Click on lead assignment rules from the drop-down menu. Select the existing lead assignment rule you wish to authorize for territories. In the rule details, locate the territory section. Click on the edit button next to the territory settings. You will see the option to assign specific territories for this lead assignment rule. Choose the territories you want to include by checking the appropriate boxes. Ensure the selected territories align with your organization structure. After selecting the territories, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Return to the lead assignment rules list to check the status of your assigned rule. Now, navigate to the territory settings in the setup menu. Type territory in the quick find box to access territory management features. Select territory settings to review current configurations. Confirm that your territories are set up accurately to work with the lead assignment rules. Adjust any territory settings if necessary for optimal lead distribution. Test the configuration by creating a sample lead that falls within the assigned territories. Monitor the lead assignment to ensure it's processed as expected. Make any additional adjustments as required based on the outcomes of your test. Final review of configurations will ensure smooth operation moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.